Today is January 25th or something like that, 2009. We're out here in the middle of one of the worst snowstorms in Ohio. Keeps going back and forth between rain, sleet, and snow, and God knows what else. It's almost like being trapped in the movie Mist. There's a snow bandit, Toby. He's always ready for whatever. This is Brock. As you can see, I can barely keep my eyes open, but we're gonna have some fun. Enough snow has fell. We could probably build ourselves an igloo if we pack it right. But for those of you, back home in Florida that have never seen snow, underneath this snow is a layer of ice. You can probably see it better. There we go. So you kind of fall through. So it's not just fresh snow, it's ice underneath from last night. All the roads froze over, and even our grass was frozen. My dog was sliding all over the place while he was trying to run. It was funny. Let's go see what's over here. This is where we keep our firewood. Yeah, in case the heat ever goes out in the house with electricity, we got plenty of wood around here. If you just heard that, our tree's falling. You can see the branch shaking as our dog is going towards it. Come here, Toby. Come here, boy. You never know what's going to happen. See the branch swinging. So we're practically in the middle of a winter war zone against Mother Nature. My mom said not to go near any trees, but I'm right underneath the one. Yeah. If the electricity goes out, we have a fireplace so we can keep warm. Oh, there's my Junior Olympic medal that fell off. Proud of that. Good thing I saw that. Would have lost it in the snow. This is what a couple inches of ice does. Kills your branches. Let's go visit that tree. Mom will probably kill me if I break it. Oh, there's another branch down. Toby? It was just that branch on the right, now there's another one. Toby, come here. Get out of there. Come here, boy. And this is what our house looks like. Covered in snow. Looks pretty nice. Used to be a basketball hoop there, I think. It's our second garage. Oh, look at that tree branch. It's just hanging there. Nice. My mom's gonna kill me. Toby, go. Get out of there. See, it's just swaying back and forth from all the weight of the ice. Yeah, it'll be maybe a couple hours before it falls. Come on, boy. Ready? Let's go. Woo! Can't run away from me. Maybe if we take shelter underneath the trees, we'll stay warm. I'm just out here having fun, sitting in the snow. Trying to clean off my size 17 shoes. I found these in my parents' storage. Haven't worn them for like 2 years since I've been in Florida, so there was some dirt on them. Trying to get the snow to wash them off. Surprised I didn't fall. And there's baby Vivian and her mommy, and there's me and Toby. And there's my mom. Hi, baby.
Usually I'll get together at the weekend. You walk in, meet them all.